Hello, garden friends, and Happy New Year! This will be a new series where once a month I go over what I am doing garden wise for that month and share some garden memories. This picture was from about 2014, 2015. My son was still in high school, and Kentucky had a terrible winter that year. And through all that hard work of getting food and water to the animals, I kept thinking, this better be killing the damn flea beetles. If you are new to my channel, my name is Amy, and I talk about organic gardening and wildlife. I'm an author, and my next book, coming out soon, will be a complete guide to growing vegetables in Zone 6. So, January is all about planning, and one of my favorite things to do is look through seed catalogs. I'm trying to wean myself from paper catalogs and go more online, but it's hard. This clip is actually from an older video I have on my favorite seed catalogs, which I'll link below. My two all time favorites are Johnny Seeds and Fedco's, and I've been ordering from them both for many years. The first thing I do in January is go through my seeds. Now that I'm no longer market farming, my seeds fit in a much smaller container. But I go through the seeds and see what I have, toss the old seeds, and make a list of what I might need. And here is why I make a list. Otherwise, I would just go hog wild. A list helps keep me focused and keep me purchasing what I really need. I also check on seeds that I have saved to make sure they are not discolored or moldy, both signs that the seeds are no good anymore. There was a time I had 2 acres of vegetables and I tried lots of new things. Now that I'm growing in less space, I'm trying to keep my inner scientist in control. But I do love to experiment. Two of my tried and true favorites are sun gold tomatoes on the left, and on the right is one of Johnny Seed's salad mixes. So, as a teacher, I'm programmed to think about goals and do reflection. That's an important step to having a better garden this year. So, for instance, I had crummy beans this year. I planted them in two different gardens, on my patio and at my son's house. Poor germination and pathetic plants. First time in many years I didn't can beans. So, I'm making a note to buy fresh bean seeds and pick a better place to plant them. Please hit that like button to help me grow. So, along with seeds, I'm thinking about my broader goals. I'm helping my son put in plants at his house, and they want to put in more berries. And I have a goal to use my medicinal herbs more and make more herbal remedies and skincare. Typically, I get lazy and just hang them out to dry for tea. Remember, both medicinal herbs and culinary herbs grow well in pots and can be tucked into small corners. It's well worth the effort. So I'm not doing any planting outside this month, but I am monitoring some plants that are growing, such as garlic. My main concern is not the cold, but the wet. Garlic can rot if the soil is not draining well. If you have chickens, winter is a great time to let them free range in the garden and look for any overwintering bugs. Don't forget your bird friends this winter. Many of the wild birds who come to our winter feeders for seeds will eat insect pests in the summer. Birds such as chickadees, cardinals, and nuthatches are a few. In winter, I like to grow things inside. I grow lettuce, radish, sprouts, so I can still have fresh salads. January is definitely a time to rest my body, if not my mind, and cuddle with the kitties. I'm thinking about doing a video on garden designs next. Let me know if that would interest you. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.